Eid Mubarak, everyone. Today, we'll explore fun scenarios that celebrate the spirit of Eid. Would you rather feast on endless sweets or receive surprise gifts? Join us for laughter and festive fun and share your own. Would you rather questions in the comments below? Would you rather pray Eid early or pray Eid late? Would you rather walk to mosque or drive to mosque? Would you rather wear new clothes or wear last year's? Would you rather greet everyone or stay quiet? Would you rather give money or receive money? Would you rather visit family or visit friends? Would you rather take family photos or no photos? Would you rather eat sweets first or eat biryani first? Would you rather cook breakfast or cook dinner? Would you rather stay home or go out? Would you rather host Eid party or attend Eid party? Would you rather help cook or help clean? Would you rather call distant family or text them? Would you rather gift kids or gift elders? Would you rather hug everyone or shake hands? Would you rather decorate home or keep it simple? Would you rather play games or watch movies? Would you rather read Quran or listen to nasheeds? Would you rather eat too much or eat just enough? Would you rather take a nap or stay awake all day? Would you rather wear matching outfits or wear different colors? Would you rather visit elders first or visit friends first? Would you rather eat at home or eat at a restaurant? Would you rather give a big gift or give many small gifts? Would you rather go for a drive or go for a walk? Would you rather help the poor or help your family? Would you rather dance for Eid or sing for Eid? Would you rather go to the park or stay indoors? Would you rather buy new shoes or buy new perfume? Would you rather say Eid Mubarak to all or say it only to family? Would you rather visit a mosque or visit a new city? Would you rather post on social media or keep it private? Would you rather help in the kitchen or relax and eat? Would you rather give a handmade gift or buy a fancy gift? Would you rather make a dua list or pray from memory? Would you rather eat with family or eat with strangers? Would you rather take Eid selfies or take Eid group photos? Would you rather spend time with kids or spend time with elders? Would you rather go on a picnic or stay home for lunch? Would you rather play with fireworks or watch others play? Would you rather plan a big Eid trip or stay in your city? Would you rather make a charity donation or buy yourself something? Would you rather start Eid with coffee or start Eid with tea? Would you rather wear a fancy outfit or wear something comfy? Would you rather visit the sick or visit the needy? Would you rather help clean the mosque or help clean your home? Would you rather give out balloons or give out sweets? Would you rather eat traditional food or try something new? Would you rather go shopping or watch TV? Would you rather stay up late or sleep early? Thanks for joining me today. I want to hear from you. What are your choices for the Would You Rather questions? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you loved this, check out our other videos on Eid and similar challenges for more fun.